Hey everyone, welcome back to JavaFlair. Today we are going to learn one of the most important basics that is present in Java. That is nothing but data types. Think of this like building a toolbox for your program. Each tool is designed to handle a specific kind of data. Now let us see how actually it works. The first question that comes is, why data types? Imagine you're working with numbers, names, yes or no kind of answers in the same program. You can't dump all the values into one single container, right? In real life, you don't use hammer to cut the wood. You use the right tool to perform the right operation. Similarly, in Java, we use the right data type to store the right kind of information. Let us now come to the core concept of data types in Java. Mainly, we have divided the data types into two categories. One is primitive data type, another one is referenced data type. First, let us try to understand what is primitive data type. These are the simple, basic ones like numbers, decimals, characters, true or false, which is nothing but boolean. Now let us try to understand what is referenced data type. These are more powerful like strings which can store whole word or a sentence, which is nothing but a derived part of character which helps to store complete sentence or a word. Now let us try to understand primitive data type in detail. First one is int. Int is one of the most basic data type that we use in our program. This stores the whole number and they are perfect to store counting scores or how many times a particular operation has been performed. For example, age of a person is nothing but a whole number, 21. Now let us try to understand what is double. Double stores decimal number like temperature or a price. Example, book price is 199.99. Double has more precision value in decimal point compared to floating point, but floating and decimal both are used for storing decimal values. We can use both the values depending on our requirement. Character is used to store single character. We represent it as char, char. They are mainly used to store information like grade or initial of a person. For example, grade of 5th sem is equal to A. Another one of the most used data type is boolean, which is used to store either true or false value. Example, is the light on? It may be true or it may be false. And yes, we still have lot of primitive data types. That is byte, short, long for different range of whole numbers and floating for decimal. But slightly they are less precision compared to double. Now let us talk about referenced data type. Reference data type is nothing but a string. Strings are used for storing information like text, name, words, or even full sentence. Example, name JavaFlair. The difference between character and string is character can hold only one letter, but string can hold many characters together. And we mainly use single quotation mark for character and double quotation mark for string. If we don't use this, compiler will throw us an error. And another funny fact that all of us need to know is Java automatically assigns memory depending on which data type we choose. So, it is the programmer responsible to choose the efficient data type to keep the code more modular and responsible. I know long lectures are boring. So, let me give you a quick recap game where the questions will pop up on the screen. What you need to do is pause the screen and guess the data type and please drop a comment so that it motivates us to create more videos. Okay, first question age of a person. Guess the data type, guys. Temperature. Grade in exam. I hope you're guessing it. Is the light on? Name of your best friend. I hope you have guessed the answers. Let me reveal the answers to you. Okay, age of a person is an integer data type. Temperature is double, or you can also keep it float. Grade in an exam is nothing but a character. Is light on? Boolean. Name of your best friend, a string. Okay, guys, now let's learn things in a practical way. Let's go to IntelliJ. Let me create a class called all data types demo. And as we know, we need a main method, which is nothing but public static void main string args. Let me define few variables so I can demonstrate it how it actually works. Integer, which is nothing but I have to declare it as int age is equal to 21. Double price is equal to 199.99, which is nothing but use it to store the decimal numbers. Char grade is equal to A, which is nothing but use it to store a single character. Boolean is a student is equal to true without any double quotes. This is not a string. It automatically analyzes whether it is true or false, which is nothing but works like 0 or 1. Byte level is equal to 5. Byte is nothing but similar to an integer data type, but the value or precision it stores are less. Short distance is equal to 1500. Long phone number is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 L semicolon. Float height is equal to 5.6 F semicolon. String name is equal to JavaFlair, which is nothing but our channel. Give whatever the values you want depending on your wishes. Let me print all these values to the console. System.out.println Java data types demo. System.out.println name plus name. System.out.println age plus age. System.out.println price of a book, price, adding plus, don't forget it because you're concatenating the string. System.out.println grade plus grade. System.out.println is student plus is student. System.out.println level plus level. System.out.println distance plus distance meters, which is nothing but we are indicating distances in the form of meters. System.out.println phone number plus phone number. System.out.println height plus feet. Let me save this program and run it for you. We can see in console that Java data types demo, name JavaFlair, age 21, price of book 199.99, grade A, student true, level is equal to 5, distance is equal to 1500 meters, phone number is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, height is equal to 5.6 feet. I know this is one of the most basic concepts, but they play a lot of wide role in programming. I hope you're understanding the concept. So now let me check how much you have understood. Let's now come to today's challenge. That is nothing but declare a variable for age, price of a favorite book, first letter of name, are you an employee, enter your friend's phone number, what is your favorite programming language. I hope this covers majority of the data types that are required for programming. All the best. Make sure you complete the code and drop the code in the comment section. Please keep supporting us. If you like this video, please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Thank you.